Hello dear students, today we will study about two more explorers. So firstly we will start with Christopher Columbus. He was born in Italy and he was a very famous navigator. Navigator at that time was the person who decided the direction of the ship. Navigator वो person होता था जो decide करता था कि ship किस direction में move करेगा. He tried to convince the king of Portugal to send him on expeditions, but he was not convinced. Then he moved towards the Spain. The King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I permitted him for the expedition on behalf of Spain in the year 1942, in the 1492, and he was also given the resources to carry on with his expedition. He was asked by the King and Queen of Spain to find the shortest route to India or to find India, and he carried on 4 voyages. वो 4 बार गए अपनी जर्नी पर, but even not even in single journey he was able to find the route to India or direct route to Asia from Europe. But the major achievement done by him was that he mapped America. उन्होंने अमेरिका ऑलरेडी थी लैंड अर्थ पे, ऐसा नहीं था कि ये तभी फॉर्मुलेट की थी, बट मैपिंग इसकी क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस की वजह से ही हुई. So in this map you can see he carried on 4 voyages. These 4 lines indicate his voyages. So let us know about the first voyage he conducted. So he moved from the Spain and then he sailed towards the Canary Island. He stopped there and then he crossed the waters of Atlantic Ocean, and then he discovers the island which are known as Bahamas now. And then he moved further and discovered one more island, that was Espanola. Then he returned from there, again crossed the Atlantic Ocean waters and then returned to the Spain. When he reached Spain after his first journey, he informed the King and Queen of Spain that he discovered a new land and it was Americas. Now in the second journey, again he started from Spain, and in each and every journey or voyage he conducted, he sailed through Canary Island. In this journey, his major discovery was the islands of Jamaica, and he did a settlement on the Espinal, the island group which he discovered in the first journey. Whatever islands or whatever new lands he was discovering during his voyages, the King and Queen of Spain asked him to make their Spanish settlement. So La Isabela was the Spanish settlement on the island known as Espinal. Then he moved back from there and he even discovered some region of Cuba, and then he returned to Spain. And in the third journey, which he started in the year 1498, again he moved from Spain. Then he discovered one more island, Cape Verde Island. Then major discovery was Trinidad Islands, which was on the northeast coast of the South America. This region is of South America. Then after discovering Trinidad Island, which was on South America's coast, he moved from there, and from there he visited the Central America, this part which is known as Isthmus of Panama now, and then he returned back to